children, happy morning. I hope that you are all very fine and happy with your parents. Yes, welcome to our Sheba Group of School online class. Yes children, now I am going to take class 2 social and the lesson name is Animal Home. Okay children, do you know what is home? Yes, home is a place where we live safe and happy with our parents. Okay children, now first I am going to show some of the wild animals here. Are you ready to see these wild animals? Here children, we are seeing the wild animals. See the animal here. What is it? It is tiger. Children, you are seeing the tiger, is it? Behind the tiger, we are seeing the fox. Here children, we are seeing the tiger first and then the cheetah. Here behind the tiger, we are seeing fox. The next one is deer. See how nice it is, how it look beautiful. Here then we are moving to zebra. What is it? It is zebra. Children, are you like to see these wild animals? Then what is this? This is zebra. It has a black and white stripes on the body. It look like a horse. Children, you know, then it is called the bison. Bison means என்ன உங்களுக்கு தெரியும்? காட்டு எருமை. Bison என்னன்னா காட்டுல இருக்கிற எருமைக்கு பேர் தான் bison. Here these are the wild animal children. Do you know what is wild animal? The animal which live in the forest is called the wild animals. Animals வந்து காட்டுல இருக்கிற animalsக்குலாம் பேர் என்னது? Wild animal. Yes children, now we are seeing the tallest animal, giraffe. See how nice it is. Can you see it? Yes, the giraffe is the tallest animal. It eats the grass and other plants. The giraffe has a long neck. Is it children? Now the children, we are seeing the hippopotamus. It is a water animal. It is a big animal. Children, can you hear the sounds of birds here? Yes, we are now in the forest. See how the birds are creeping. They are very happy. Yes, the birds are feeling very happy. That's why they are making the sound. Next, we move on to the rhinoceros. What is the next animal here? Rhinoceros. It has a horns. What does the rhinoceros has? The rhinoceros has the horns on it. It is also a big animal, but it is a land animal. Then we move on to the elephant. See it is a huge animal. It is a land animal. It cannot jump. See this elephant, how huge it is, how big it is. Can you see the elephant here? Then there is a cheetah on the tree. Children, can you see the cheetah on the tree? Yes, it is the cheetah on the tree. It is looking for us. They are looking. This cheetah are looking us. Can you see it? Then we are seeing the monkey. The monkey is on the tree. It is on top of the tree. The monkey used to chatter. What does the monkey do? The monkey chatter. Then now we are seeing the king of the jungle. Children, do you know what is the king of the jungle? Lion is called the king of the jungle. Yes, see how it is gigantic. See the lion here? It looks gigantic. Is it children? Do you like the lion? Because lion is the king of the jungle. Children, just now we saw all the animals of wild animals in the forest. Here we are going into our lesson. What is our lesson name again? Our lesson name is Animal Home. The place where an animal lives is called habitat. The place where an animal lives is called the habitat. Here children, ஒரு அனிமல் வந்து அதுக்குரிய இடத்த தேர்ந்தெடுக்கும். ஏன்னா பிகாஸ் இட் நீட்ஸ் த ஃபுட். அது என்ன பண்ணணும்? அதுக்கு வேண்டிய சாப்பாடு, உறைவிடம் எல்லாமே இருந்தால் தான் அந்த இடத்துல போய் அது வாழும். ஸோ த அனிமல்ஸ் வேர் இட் லிவ் இஸ் கால்ட் த ஹேபிட்டட். யப், வேர் டு வி லிவ் சில்ட்ரன்? வி லிவ் இன் அ ஹோம். நம்ம எங்கே இருப்போம்? ஹோமில் இருக்கோம். வை டு வி நீட் எ ஹோம்? எதுக்கு நம்ம வீட்டில் இருக்கோம்? பிகாஸ் home is a safe place, happy place where we live with our parents. Yes, our home is called a shelter. For us, home is our shelter. Here, like us, these animals also need a shelter to live. Why do they live shelter? Because to live happily, to live safely, they need a shelter. Animals like lion, tiger and hyena hunt the other animals like deer for the food. They live in the place where they can get the food easily. Okay, they live in jungle. The home of the lion is called a den. The home of a lion is called a den. What is this animal? It is a lion. இது என்ன animal? இது lion. இந்த lion என்ன பண்ணும்? Lion, tiger, hyena, what it do? It kills the other animal for the food. என்ன பண்ணும்? அது மற்ற அனிமலை சாப்பிடுச்சு சாப்பிடும். என்ன அனிமலை சாப்பிடும்? லைக் டீர்னா நம்ம மானெல்லாம் என்ன பண்ணும்? வேட்டையாடி சாப்பிடும். சாப்பிட்டுட்டு அது அப்போ எங்கே இருக்கும்? அதுக்கு எங்கே அந்த ஃபுட் கிடைக்குதோ அந்த இடத்துல தான் இது இருக்கும். ஸோ த லயன், டைகர் அண்ட் ஹைனா lives where they can get the food easily. They mostly live in the jungle and the home of these animals are called the den. Here some animals like elephant live in the groups. What does this animal do? They always found in groups. These groups are called the herd. They always found in groups. These groups are called the herds. These are found under the shade of tall trees. The shelter of this elephant or under the shade of tall trees. A tree is a habitat for many animals like monkeys, squirrel, etc. Some of them eat fruits and tender leaves. Others pick at insects on the trunk. What is it? In the monkeys and squirrels la enga irukum? Enga irukum? Marathula irukum. Their habitat is called the tree. They eat. Adu enna saapidum? Fruits saapidum. Tender leaves. Tender leaves na enadhu? பசுமையான சின்ன செடி சின்ன இலையை தான் சாப்பிடும். அண்ட் சம்டைம்ஸ் they even pick the insects. என்ன பண்ண? மரத்தில் இருக்கிற சின்ன சின்ன பூச்சியெல்லாம் கூட என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? பிடிச்சி சாப்பிடும். Now we are going to see the honeybees. Honeybees are found in a group. The group of honeybees are called the swarm. These honeybees collect the nectar from flowers and store in their house. The house of the honeybees are called the hive. Some birds like an owl and woodpecker live in the holes of a tree trunk. Owl na என்னமா? ஆந்தை. தென் woodpeckerனா மரக்கொத்தி. இந்த ரெண்டு பறவை என்ன செய்யணும்? மரம் இருக்குல்ல, அந்த மரத்தண்டில் மரம் உடைய தண்டுக்குள்ளே ஹோல் போடணும். ஹோல் மீன்ஸ் என்ன? பொந்து போட்டு அதுக்குள்ளே தான் அது வரும். பிகாஸ் the owl and woodpecker lives in a hole and its home is called a hole. Children, have you seen the snake ever? Yes. These snakes are found in the holes under the ground. இந்த ஸ்னேக்ஸில் எங்கே இருக்கும் தெரியுமா? மண்ணுக்கடியில் புத்துக்குள்ளே தான் இருக்கும். பிகாஸ் இட் lives under the ground. This rabbit and rats are also found under the ground. The rabbit or rat கூட எங்கே இருக்கும்? Under the ground இருக்கும். The homes of these rabbit and rat are called burrows. Ants live under the ground in large groups. These ants என்னமா? எறும்பு. Where it founds under the ground in large groups. மாரி அது வந்து கூட்டமாக தான் இருக்கும். எறும்பு எப்படி இருக்கும்? சாரையா. எறும்பு எப்படி இருக்கும்? கூட்டமாக இருக்கும். அதுக்கு பேர் colonies. The ant lives under the ground. The large group of ants are called colonies. Okay, they used to build a long tunnel. என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? புத்து மாதிரி கட்டும். அந்த புத்து கட்டி they store the food in this tunnel. The ant build a long tunnel and store the food in it. Sometimes some ants can make a handtail also. சில எறும்பு என்ன செய்யும்? புத்து கூட செய்யும். நம்ம வீட்டுக்குள்ளேயே பார்க்கலாம். அங்கங்கே மண்ணில் புத்து கட்டி வச்சுருக்கோம். These are called the handtail. So ants are found under the ground in large groups. They are called the colonies. And this ant can make a long tunnel and store the food in it. Some ants make a handtail. Some animals like tortoise and snail carry the home on their back. This tortoiseum snail என்ன பண்ணுன்னா அதுடைய வீடை அதுக்கு முதுகுக்கு மேலேயே சுமந்துட்டு போகும். The tortoise and snail carry the home on their back. They hide themselves. They pull themselves into the shell. The homes of this tortoise and snail are called the shell. Some animals like tortoise and snail carry the home on their back. Some animals like tortoise and snail carry the home on their back. Their home is called a shell. Okay, children? Here, children, now in this lesson we saw this homes of wild animals. What are the wild animals we saw? We saw lion, tiger and hyena, then elephant, monkeys and squirrels, honeybees, snakes, rabbits and rats, ant, tortoise and snail. I hope you understand the homes of wild animals. Then we are going to see the homes of domestic animals. You know what is domestic animal? Some animals which depends on human are called the domestic animal. Some animal we keep as pet. These animals are called the domestic animal. Now we are going to see some of the domestic animals here. Here the children, we are going to see this picture. What are this picture? These are the domestic animals. See this horses. The horses are in the stable. Then see the cow. The cow is with his kid called calf. Then the pig. The pig also standing alone without his kid. Then the dog. See how nice the dog is. It is with their puppy. Now we are seeing the hen. The hen is in its shelter called coop. Now we are going to see the duck. The duck was standing there. See how nice it is here, the duck. Then we are going to see the goat. The goat are with their babies. The babies or goat are called the kid. These are the domestic animals. Can you see these animals, children? These are the domestic animal. Now we are seeing the domestic animal dog. See the dog. The dog is sitting in before its home called kennel. Okay, then we are seeing the cat also. The cat is also called the domestic animal. Then we pass on to the donkey. You know donkey. Donkey means donkey enna ungalke theriyum. Just donkey enna solluvom namba kadudai. Then the squirrel. We can see the squirrel also there. Then there are the two pigeons here. These are the domestic animals. Okay children, now you saw the domestic animal, is it? Let's move on to our lesson. This is called the domestic animal dog. Dog guards our house. We keep the dog in a kennel. இதுக்கு பேர் என்ன domestic animal. இந்த domestic animal நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம் எல்லாருக்குமே தெரியும். Dog we keep in the home and these dogs are kept in the kennel. இந்த dog எங்க இருக்கும் அதோடைய shelter பேரு kennel. Now we are seeing the cow. The cow is a domestic animal. We keep the cow in a shed. The cow lives in a shed. Then this is the horse. The horse are kept in stable. Where did the horse keep? We keep the horses in the stable. The home of horse is called a stable. The home of the cow is called a shed. The cows are kept in shed and the horses are kept in stable. Here the pig. The pigs are kept in the sty. We make coop for hens. The hens are kept in the coop. We make coop for hens. Here the horses, the home of the horse is called the stable. The home of a cow is called shed and the home of the pig is sty. The home of the dogs or kennel. Yes children, with the help of these 3D pictures, I hope you all understood this lesson. Anyway, I am going to give you a short recall. Here, the dogs are kept in the kennel. The dogs are kept in kennel. The hen, the home of the hen is called the coop. The pig, the home of the pig is called the sty. And the home of the horse are called stable. The home of cow is called the shed. And the home of goat is called the pen. Okay children, if you have a book, take your book, page number 30. Okay children, if you have a book, take your book. Here, fill in the blanks. Take page number 30, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Number 1, they need shelter to protect themselves from heat, rain, cold and their enemies. Number 1, they need shelter to protect themselves from heat, rain, cold and their enemies. What is the answer for this? Shelter. Shall we make a spell now? S-H-E-L-T-E-R, shelter. S-H-E-L-T-E-R, shelter. They need shelter to protect themselves from heat, rain, cold and their enemies. Number 2, the place where an animal lives is called its habitat. Number 2, the place where an animal lives is called its habitat. Habitat, what is the spelling? H-A-B-I-T-A-T, habitat. H-A-B-I-T-A-T, habitat. Number 3, animals like lion, tiger and hyena hunt. Other animals like deer. Number 3, animals like lion, tiger and hyena and other animals like deer. H-U-N-T, hunt. Yes children, I hope that you all understood this lesson. Anyway, we will meet in the next class. Thank you.